YouTube is going on with y'all, man. Back again with another video. Today is Wednesday, and it's right now about to be 6 a.m. in the morning. I won't lie to you guys, I thought that today was going to be a non-trading day, but because you know what I'm saying, it's literally. Let me show you guys the time. It's literally 5:53. It's about to be 6. I normally don't trade this late, but right now I'm in a trade and my take profit is right there. It's a little bit more than a 1-to-1, but you know what I'm saying. That's the trade that we took today. And let me get into the computer right now so I can explain to you guys. Like I said, if this trade doesn't work out, it will blow my account. That's why my stop loss should be right there. But if it goes up to there, then honestly just blow my account. You know what I'm saying? Because if I put it right here on the where I'm supposed to put my stop loss, that is not gonna blow my account. So I just want to make sure that I do blow my account, because if it does comes up to my stop loss, because you know I don't want to be trading with only like $50 left for me to trade. So as this trade plays out, let me get into the computer so I can explain the reason of why I took this trade, man. So see. All right, man. So let me explain to you guys the reason behind this trade. And as you guys can see right now, it's going back up in my against me. And the reason why I think it's going against me right now is because there's this demand right there that the what should we call it? The market can literally go back up again, because we do have a break of structure right here. And we have a break of structure and we have a demand down here, so we can literally just break above right now and go up to my stop loss. But the reason why I took this trade is because, as you guys can see, we have been just pushing up like crazy. So I don't think that it's going to keep on pushing up. I think at some point it needs to have a retracement to come and grab some liquidity, for example, underneath these lows, and then to keep on pushing up afterwards. But it can literally just come down here to this demand as well and push up. It can do anything, you know what I'm saying? But the reason behind this trade is because we're super duper bullish and I expect the market to come down. And the reason why I got in is because this candle right here, this red candle, we were pushing up towards the upside and we're staying above the 13 SMA. We're staying above, we're staying above, we're staying above. But then this red candle right here comes down like crazy and breaks underneath the 13 SMA. So let me give you guys a closer look. So when I see that we broke underneath and we closed underneath the 13 SMA right here, I got in with one contract, and which is about a $300 risk right here. So I was oh my bad, my computer's about to die right now. So because we have a little bit more than $300 to risk with this trade, I was waiting for the market to come up to this yellow line right here so I could enter with another contract. But as you guys can see, it has not given me the chance to do that. So I'm just rocking with one single contract. And yeah, man, this is the reason why I took this trade, even though we're bullish, because in the 1 hour, as you guys can see, in the 1 hour, we did a liquidity grab right here and we started to push up and we broke above this structure right here. So right now we're bullish, but the trade that I'm taking is a short-term trade towards the bottom, and I'm not expecting this trade to win. It's just a counter trend trade that we're taking here. We're taking the risk only for the simple reason that we have been pushing up like crazy nonstop. And I think at some point we need to retrace and come towards the bottom to take some liquidity, take some orders, take some buyers out so we can keep on pushing up. So that's the reason why I got in. And I think I will be doing oh my goodness, my phone just fell, yeah. But I think I will be doing a live trading. I think I haven't done a live trading in a long time, so I'm gonna just do that right now. And I'm not sure what charts do you guys want to see, man. I wish I could ask you guys, but we have the man, I can't even find a spot where to put my phone, bro. Just like look what I'm using to put my phone. I'm using this cup where I was having a coffee, and I'm putting my phone right there, man. It's just I don't know where to put it, man. But We're going to be doing a live trading today, as you guys can see in the screen. We are in. We're coming back to break even. I can literally just close this trade right here. But like I said, I'm not. I wish I could ask you guys what charts. Man, you guys want to see? Is either this one or the other one. Let me find a better place where to put my phone, bro. Cause I'm gonna just put it right here. We're going to be doing a live trading video, man. But I'm gonna go based on this chart. See, this is what I mean, man. The futures chart and the FXEM charts do not align. Like right now, it's saying that I'm supposed to be in profits. Right here, so saying that I'm supposed to be in profits, but when in reality, I'm a break even. So it's kind of weird, man. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, if it comes back to this green point right there, we're going to be adding another contract in, just to make sure that I don't really want to add it anymore. You know why I don't want to add it? Because we just came back from this 5-minute demand right there. And if we break above the 13 SMA again, if we break above this blue line that goes along the price, if we broke above that line again, then most likely that means that we're going to keep on pushing up. So let's just see what happens, man. Let's just see what happens. But yeah, I'm gonna let you guys watch the last trade in this account. If it blows the account, or if we are going to make any more profits in here, we're gonna see, man. Like I said, I just want to see if it's gonna break above this blue line. If it breaks above that blue line and it closes above that blue line, most likely we're going to lose. Most likely. But that was a good reaction that we just had right now towards the bottom, which is good. And oh yeah, somebody was asking me a long time ago, and I literally forgot to show it to you guys, the settings for the EMAs that I have. So the EMAs that I have is the 200, the 50 moving average, and the 13 moving average. And if you guys want to see the settings for this is what it's called right here: 3MA 13 close, SMA 50 close. If you guys want to, because somebody was asking me for this, so that's right there, that's the name of it. If you guys, literally right here, 3MA, that's literally what it's called. Nothing special about it, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I forgot, somebody asked, and I just remember right now that I'm doing this. So listen, I do have to get ready to go to work very soon. So most likely I'm gonna just leave this trade running, and I'm gonna go and get ready, because you know what I'm saying. I'm gonna let me show you guys this. I'm going to leave a pending order around here, a sell order, sell limit sell, one contract. If it does comes back up here again, or you can just go down to my take profit. Like I said, it's a little bit more than a 1-to-1. Wait, actually, if it comes to my 1-to-1 right now, I'm just gonna close it right now, because I don't have the time to be in the computer, you know what I'm saying? I don't have the time. So we're gonna see what happens, man. We're gonna see. It doesn't look like we're going to get the same result in the futures chart, because right now is at 170, and my take profit is supposed to be 300, not 200. Like it might be 250 here. Yeah, I'm not going to take profit unless it goes up to $300 in profit. Right now we are at 170. So this 1-to-1 on this chart will not be the 1-to-1 in my futures chart. So I'm gonna wait for my 1-to-1 to get hit on my futures chart, and not this chart right here. But let's see what happens, man. It's looking good. We had a rejection of the 13 moving average, and right now we're coming back to the 5-minute demand, which is a good sign that it's going to break through it, because 3 candles came to this demand. 1, 2, 3, and this one is closing in the 5 minute demand. So it's a very high chance that we're going to drop right now. Very, very high. We just gotta be patient. And today is Wednesday as well. So Wednesdays are very slow, man. Wednesdays are very slow. So we just see what happens, man. We'll see what happens. I don't know if we're gonna. I don't know if I should just go get ready to go to work. I'll be here for 10 more minutes until 6:10. If take profit hasn't gotten hit yet, I mean 6:15. If take profit hasn't gotten hit by 6:15, I'm just going to let the trade run by itself. Like I said, it's going to hit take profit here, but it's not hitting take profit on my futures chart. So my futures chart is gonna be around, maybe around there. That's where my take profit will be. So yeah, man. This is my thought process when it comes to me trading, man. You know what I'm saying? We are at 220, man. I'm not taking profit right here. Even though my 1-to-1 got hit, I'm not taking profit. I need to see $300 at least. So we'll see, man. We'll see. Let me move my take profit a little bit more. To where 300 is. It's right now at 230. And this can definitely go towards the upside right now. Why? Because right now we're bullish. We are in an uptrend. We're not in a downtrend. We are in an uptrend. So because this demand got broken, now what can happen is that we can literally just do a liquidity grab right here. As market comes down here, and this candle can literally just come down here, take the liquidity of this lows, and then now start pushing towards the upside. But something that I'm also seeing right here is we have a supply right here. So that's a very good sign as well. But right now, the trend is bullish. And yeah, man, like I said, I'm not taking this is my 1-to-1 getting hit right here. But I'm not taking my profits out unless it goes down to unless it goes up to 300. So let me just put this other chart because we're getting close to it. So you guys can have a better idea of where I am with this other trade. See, you know what I'm saying? You see how far that is? Like 300 is down here, and we're literally at 1-to-1 in this chart. So yeah, man, it's not looking good, in my opinion. If we start to do a liquidity graph down here, we're not gonna be looking good. So yeah, man, we'll see what happens. Liquidity graph is being respected very well. 30 more seconds in this candle. So this next candle gotta do the work. This next candle that is coming up right now has to drop. But we'll see, man. So it's confusing. You see the difference between the two charts? Look where the price is at right here. And look where the price is at in the FXCM charts. It's literally as low as it was before. But look at this, super duper bullish. I like the other chart, the price is down here. Even though, you know what I'm saying? It's just so weird, man. But listen, I'm getting used to this weirdness of the difference between the two charts, man. It's just so weird, man. It's so fucking weird. I don't get it. And yeah, it's looking like the liquidity graph is going to be respected. yeah. See, if I was taking a trade towards the upside, this would have been my entry right here. Once this candle breaks above this candle, that would have been my entry. My stop loss would have been down here, and I would be aiming for a 1-to-1. But in this case, because we're going with the trend and everything is looking good, I will probably go up for this supply up there, which is basically almost a 1-to-1. I mean a 1-to-2. But yeah, this liquidity graph seems to be, it's looking like it's being respected right now. And it's, see what I mean, bro? It's basically a break even when right here we're halfway through the take profit. So it's so weird. So weird, man. I should have. That's why that was my 1-to-1. You know, that is where I was supposed to take my take profit if the charts were playing along with each other in sync, but they're not. They're just not. So it is what it is, bro. It is what it is. I'm tired. I think I'm yeah. We'll see, man. We'll see what happens. But I'm gonna leave the screen for you guys to watch the trade. Right now, I'm about to go get ready to go to work because it's right now 6:15 and I can't be here for too long, so I'm gonna just leave the camera playing. I'm gonna just leave the trade for you guys to watch, and I'll be back. Peace. How we looking? Oh, look at it. It's coming down to my take profit now. But look at this shit, man. Even though here is coming down to it, right here is not. What do we do, man? Do we close it or do we wait for it to come down? I feel like at this point, since this liquidity graph didn't work out, it's now coming down to hit my take profit because it didn't work out, and because it didn't work out, now we're coming down. We're coming down towards the 50 SMA. That's where we like to bounce. You know what I'm saying? That's where the market's coming down to right now. So I feel like the take profit that we're gonna get hit today is a good target because this is exactly where the 50 moving average is at. So hopefully you guys can hear
Order
that.
filled.
Order filled, man. Live trading successfully done. We took a $333 win today. Hey, 333. Interesting. But anyways, man, this is how we get these trades done. This is how we trade. This is how we do it. And I'm gonna take you guys with me throughout the day. So today's gonna be a long video because I got this live trading, and I'm gonna do the video as well, man. So, hey, yeah, y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all stay tuned. Yeah, look at this, man. It's -2 degrees out, man. Crazy cold, bro. All right, man. So as you guys can see, we have now made it back to another day of work, man. What we're doing today is what we're doing today is this. So we're gonna be ripping that up and installing this carpet out there. If I remember, I'm gonna show you guys the result at the end of the day, because normally I forget, man. I always want to show you guys the result, but I forget. So I'm gonna set an alarm just to remind myself that I have to show you guys the end result, because all of this that we have been doing, I have not been showing you guys the before and after. So that's the before right here. And this is how it's looking after. You know what I'm saying? Tomorrow we're gonna come back and do some rooms that they're getting ready for us over there. We're gonna be working in this room, this room, this room, and we got all the rooms over there. Today, you know what I'm saying? Today, we didn't do as much because we are behind the painters. So as the painters move forward, we go behind them. And today, it's only 12 right now. We're going home because the painters don't have anything ready for us. And there's nothing that we can do right now. So today was the day that we're going to be leaving early. So right now we're heading towards the house. And yeah, man, easy day, chill day. But tomorrow it will be a day where we're gonna do a lot of work for sure. Anyways, man, we have now made it back to the crib. We made it back to the Airbnb. And I wanna do a follow-up video on the topic that I was talking about yesterday, which is, as you know, I was talking about my diet and how I wanted to balance it, how I wanted to make sure that I was eating what I'm supposed to be eating, since I'm only eating 2 times a day. And what happens is sometimes I get too hungry later on in the day, so I end up overeating. I end up eating too much, and it makes me lazy, makes me slow, makes me heavy, and I wanted to fix that. You know what I'm saying? So what was I doing today? Is I was researching that topic, and I wanted to know why that was happening. And you know, I got a little bit more knowledgeable in that topic, so I have a better idea now how to fix it and how to approach it. And there's a few things that I will be doing, man. So for next week, there was this website that allows you to order food online. So they send you like the Factor. Have you guys heard of Factor? Where you can order food online, and they send you the meals that you're gonna have for the week. You know what I'm saying? So it's something similar. I ordered from a website similar to Factor. They're gonna send me 8 meals, so I can have it for 4 days, because I will be having 2 meals a day. And if I have the 2 meals a day, that should be the calorie intake that I should be taking. You know what I'm saying? So I'm excited, man. I ordered the eight meals, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna like it or not. So that's why I ordered it on 50% off. So it wasn't that bad. At the end of the day, it's going to be way more cheaper than actually buying food from a restaurant or a place like that, man. So I ordered that, and it's next week I will have the 8 meals for 4 days. And I just want to see how I do with them, man, because you know, I'm trying to fix it. I'm trying to see how to balance this diet that I have to the point where I don't end up overeating later on in the day. You know what I'm saying? That way I can continue to work. That way I can continue to do being productive and do the things that I normally do. So I can, you know, at the end of the day, I'm gonna be doing more content. I will be working more, doing things better for you guys, better for me. It's going to be a win-win for everybody. So I was educating myself in that topic. And for next week, I will have meals. I will have food delivered to my house that I can just heat up and eat. So you know what I'm saying? So we'll see. Like I said, I have no idea if it's gonna be good, if I'm gonna like it or not. I just don't know. But we're gonna give it a try since it was on 50% off. So I was like, might as well give it a try. And that should be all the calories that I need for a day, man. But anyways, as you know, today we didn't blow the account. Today we won, which means that we have an extra, what's 400 plus 300? That's like $800 now that we are in profit, that we can risk. So the plan for tomorrow is to risk 350 to 400, so we can, you know what I'm saying, we can risk half of the profits that we have right now. So that way, if we do lose, we have another opportunity to recover again. And what I'm looking to do tomorrow is to risk $350 to $400 and try to go for a little bit more than a 1-to-1, because when I'm risking that low, we need to maximize our profits, because we want to get back into the profit area. We want to get back on track, because right now we have to get to $53,000, and it's going to be a long way if we take minor wins. Man, minor wins is not ideal right now for us, so we have to maximize the profits that we take. And right now we can only trade with a low amount, so we're going to be trading with low amounts, trying to maximize the profits that we take. And once we recover, we're going to get back on the $700 risk per trade, man. So we'll see how we do, man. I'm gonna show up tomorrow. You guys will see me here. I'm gonna do, you know what I'm saying, I'm uploading every single day, so I'm gonna be here same time, same channel, same routine, same everything. And one thing that I'm doing now is I'm doing reels on Instagram, so go follow me on Instagram if you haven't yet. Link should be in the description, man. But yeah, this video comes to an end. I'm about to go edit this video right now so I can upload it to YouTube and do some other things also that I gotta do as well. But yeah, man, this video comes to an end. As always, stay productive, stay disciplined in the markets. You know what I'm saying? Try to get better every single day. And without further ado, man, this video is now over.